In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this HUAWEI. Firstly, you need to locate voice recorder app. It should be in Tools folder. When you find it, click on it and then tap on this red button. After that, you need to select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so my recording started right away. In order to pause it or unpause it, use this right button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And in order to end it and save it, tap on the middle one. Now you can play your recording by clicking on it. After that, if you wish to rename it, you need to hold it, tap on this rename option over here, type in wherever you wish to and click on OK. If you wish to delete it though, hold it again, but this time select delete icon in the middle at the bottom and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!